Hi everyone, this is JD of Gadget Random. Another interesting battle today. Xiaomi 15T versus iPhone 17. Two flagship phones, and one would argue that Xiaomi 15T is not a flagship because of the price and the processor, MediaTek 8400. But MediaTek processors right now are really good. And I could also say on my personal test, a Xiaomi 15T works like a flagship phones. So we got triple camera setup on Xiaomi 15T, 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel telephoto, and 12 megapixel ultra wide with 32 megapixel selfie camera. While we have 48 ultra wide and main sensor on iPhone 17 and 18 megapixel selfie. Also, both phones are updated to the latest OS, iOS 26 on iPhone 17 and Hyper OS 3 on Xiaomi 15T. Stay until the end of this video. We will do a full breakdown and verdict of the cameras. Alright, starting this comparison video with the selfie video recording and the audio test. So you can see the audio on the sides of this comparison video. So we're shooting on the selfie video recording 4K 60 FPS on iPhone 17 and 4K 30 FPS, only 30 FPS on Xiaomi 15T. We can also switch orientation on iPhone 17, as you can see. Warmer looking on iPhone 17 and cooler tone on Xiaomi 15T. But look at the details. Which phone is better? I think that's it for the selfie video recording and the audio test. Let the battle begin. Starting with their daylight shot, on slow motion, we got full HD resolution on both phones. On the ultra-wide test, difference in the white balance, we got a warmer looking Xiaomi 15T and natural looking on iPhone 17, closer in reality. Also looking at the exposure, we got better exposed Xiaomi 15T. On the main sensor test, we got a more vivid Xiaomi phone. Also, the image is cleaner. Well, we got a more detailed iPhone 17. And I love the natural looking photos of the latest model, just noisier. On 2x, great image quality on the optical zoom for Xiaomi 15T, but the lossless crop on iPhone 17 is not so bad. It competes with the optical zoom of Xiaomi 15T, but in terms of zoom, we got farther zoom on Xiaomi 15T. We only have 6x on iPhone 17, and we got 10 times on Xiaomi 15T. We got 60x, and going for the macro or close-up, we got macro capability on the latest iPhone 17. In terms of special features on the cameras, on Xiaomi 15T, there's fast shot, ultra HD, but nothing on the video recording. We don't have portrait video on the latest Xiaomi 15T. But on iPhone 17, we call this cinematic, so you would see background blur, 4K 30 FPS using the selfie camera. You can shoot both selfie and the rear camera for cinematic on iPhone 17. On portrait mode, starting with 1x, we got a wider field of view on Xiaomi 15T. Also, the white balance is neutral. We got a warmer looking and beautified iPhone 17. There's more details on the face for iPhone 17. On portrait 2x, same tendency as 1x, we got a more beautified look on Xiaomi 15T. I just don't like the skin tone on the new Xiaomi phone. It's a bit pale on my taste. While we got a more inviting, warmer looking iPhone 17, also better exposed. And on the selfie camera, I like the details on iPhone 17. There's a bit of motion blur on Xiaomi 15T on challenging situations. Also a bit beautified. I would go with iPhone 17. Alright, video quality test, starting with the ultra wide. So 4K 60 FPS on iPhone 17 and 4K 30 FPS on Xiaomi 15T. We don't have 60 FPS on the ultra wide. You would also see that you got a wider field of view on iPhone 17. Let's check the autofocus. You can see warmer looking iPhone 17 compared to Xiaomi 15T. And checking the stabilization. This is the vlogging test on the ultra wide. Let's check the main sensor. Alright, main sensor test. Also the audio test. You would see the audio on the sides of the video. So looking at the white balance, warmer looking, probably naturally looking iPhone 17. It's now afternoon and it's warm. So the colors on iPhone 17 matches the surroundings. We got a cooler tone on Xiaomi 15T. Let's check the autofocus. Faster on iPhone 17. And checking the stabilization. Now going for the zoom, 2x optical on iPhone 17, and we can only do digital crop as well on Xiaomi 15T. 4K 60. Going for the 4D zoom, we got 6x on iPhone 17 and also 6x on Xiaomi 15T. We got better zoom on iPhone 17. On selfie night shot, almost the same details, just better exposed on iPhone 17. On the ultra wide, you will notice that you got a better details on iPhone 17 looking at the bricks and the floors. Also has better exposure compared to Xiaomi 15T. On the main sensor test, same tendency as the ultra wide, we got better exposure and details on iPhone 17. Though in terms of image quality, I think Xiaomi 15T holds up pretty well against iPhone 17 on the main sensor. And going for the 2x optical versus crop, since you're using the main sensor of iPhone 17, it provides better image quality and details. But the optical zoom of Xiaomi 15T is not so bad, and I'm glad that they have it. Alright, low light video test, iPhone 17 versus Xiaomi 15T. 4K 30 FPS on both phones, so we can also shoot 60 FPS on iPhone 17. And as you can see, it's all dark on Xiaomi 15T, and you can see better exposure on iPhone 17. Let's check the rear cameras. Alright, low light video test using the ultra wide, 4K 30 FPS on both phones. iPhone can shoot 60 FPS, but for the sake of comparison, we're doing 30 FPS. So look at the quality of the low light video. 0.5x on iPhone 17 and 0.6x, a bit punched in on Xiaomi 15T. You got a sharper iPhone 17. Going to the main sensor, look at the quality on both phones. A bit noisier on Xiaomi 15T, but in terms of video quality, not at par with iPhone 17. Again, a bit softer compared to iPhone 17. Look at the details here. Better details on iPhone 17. And going for the optical zoom, 2x on Xiaomi 15T. And we got digital crop on iPhone 17. Again, look at the details. A bit better on Xiaomi 15T. It's an optical zoom. And going for the farthest zoom, we got 6x on iPhone 17 and 15x on Xiaomi 15T. Alright, really good flagship battle, Xiaomi 15T and iPhone 17. In terms of the case, we got really good value on Xiaomi phone. They even have a free case out of the box compared to iPhone 17. Let's do a full breakdown of the camera, starting with Xiaomi 15T. We got louder audio on the microphone, more vivid colors, and less noise on the images. We got 2x optical and a whopping 60x on the image zoom, more beautified selfie, and less noise on low light selfie video. While on iPhone 17, we got better details on the selfie video recording and better noise cancellation on the audio. We got better quality on the slow motion, natural looking images. We got macro capability and cinematic 4K on the video. In terms of portrait mode, I like the portrait mode on iPhone 17. Better exposure and better details. We got 4K 60 FPS on the ultra wide, a bit jittery, and also has a wider field of view. Also has faster autofocus and the main sensor. And we got better zoom on 4K. And lastly, we got better night shot and low light video recording. I think in terms of camera performance, Xiaomi 15T will offer you better bang for your buck. It has better zoom and beautified portrait shots that some people might prefer. But generally, in terms of camera performance, without looking at the price, I think iPhone 17 is better from the video recording, low light, and even the portrait mode. I think iPhone 17 is better than Xiaomi 15T. But let me know in the comment section below which phone do you prefer, a cheaper Xiaomi 15T that offers more, or obviously the more expensive iPhone 17 with better video recording and image quality. Xiaomi 15T is a really good phone, not quite as good as a Xiaomi 15T Pro, but really a solid option in terms of camera performance. I think that's it for a camera comparison video between these two phones. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.